Adam, the not Madam, tried to get his mango back. He looked for Ben everywhere, but he was at the Tropic of Cancer, so Adam went there to get the mango back from Ben. When Ben was about to take a bite, Adam punched him, and the mango was now out of his hands and into Adam's. And Adam kicked Ben into the water. The animals had peace and quiet. Adam got to eat the last fruit on the way in the rainforest. But what happened to Ben? He drowned. Nobody saved him. But the police sent him to but the police went underwater and arrested him. The end.